One thing we try to do through our publishing at the Gospel Coalition, we try to tell these stories of God working in these powerful ways because as we go back in the first Great Awakening, what we see Jonathan Edwards say in helping to start the first ever Christian publication called The Christian History, it was published 1743 to 1745, Thomas Prince Sr. and Jr. Jonathan Edwards was the inspiration behind it. He said, when people learn of revival in one place, God uses that means to be able to spread revival to other places. And what it means God has given us now through this technology, through websites, through the internet, to be able to tell stories of God's work. When you start to expect that, when you're praying those expectant prayers, I don't know if that's what God responds to or if that's just what we start to see. I don't know if we just get the eyes of faith. We get the eyes of Hebrews 11 to be able to see what he's already doing. If we can spend more time looking for God at work in those ways and less time looking for other Christians to blame for everything, we will be in a much better shape as a church, and I think we'll begin to see more of the seeds of revival in our midst.